In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use features in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to refine your skills, understanding how to enable and use features in Jira can vastly enhance your project management experience. By the end of this guide, you'll be well versed in navigating these features to optimize your workflows. Let's get started. First things first, we need to head over to Jira. In your web browser, navigate to the Your Work section of your Jira dashboard. When you log into Jira, the Your Work area is typically the landing page, showing you the most relevant and recent tasks connected to your work. This section provides a great overview and serves as a good starting point before we dive deeper into handling projects. Once you're on Your Work, the next step is to select the specific project you wish to work with. Choosing the right project is crucial because all the features you enable or disable will directly impact this project. When you're managing multiple projects, ensuring you're working on the correct one will help avoid confusion and ensure that any changes you make are intentional and beneficial for the project at hand. After selecting your project, navigate to the project settings. It's located on the left-hand side of the screen, typically beneath your project's name. Clicking on this will open up a new menu dedicated to customizing various aspects of your project. This is where you can tweak settings to suit your project's unique needs. It's a centralized dashboard for managing your project's components, permissions, and importantly, its features. Now let's focus on the features section within the project settings. Features in Jira can range from agile boards, backlogs, sprints, and more depending on your project's requirements. To access these, click on Features. This will open a dedicated section where you can see a list of all the features currently available for your project. It's here that you can visualize what tools and capabilities you can toggle on or off based on what your team needs. At this point, you can start selecting the features you want to turn on. Each feature is accompanied by a brief description, which can help you understand what it does and why it might be beneficial for your project. For instance, if your team follows agile practices, turning on features like sprints or backlogs can facilitate smoother workflows and better project tracking. It's important to evaluate what your project demands and enable only those features that add value or streamline processes. As you explore this section, it's worth taking some time to assess each feature's potential impact on how your team works. Consider having a discussion with your team about which features they find useful or have been wanting to try. Collaboration here can lead to more informed decisions that help everyone involved. Once you've decided on what features to turn on or off, simply toggle the switch next to each feature to either enable or disable it. Toggling features is straightforward. However, it's good practice to communicate any changes with your team to ensure everyone is aligned and understands how the newly enabled features will affect their day-to-day tasks. Remember, enabling a feature is just the beginning. After turning it on, invest some time in learning how to effectively utilize it. Jira's documentation and resources are extensive, providing you with the guidance you need to take full advantage of each feature's capabilities. As you become more comfortable with these adjustments, don't shy away from revisiting the features section periodically. Projects evolve and so do the tools you need. Regular check-ins can help ensure that the features in use continue to meet your project's changing requirements. To sum up, managing features in Jira is a smart way to tailor your project management experience, enabling only the tools and functionalities that are most beneficial for your team's unique workflows. By accessing the Your Work section, selecting your project, entering the project settings, and navigating to the Features menu, you've taken significant steps toward customizing your project environment. I hope this guidance helps you feel more confident in managing project features in Jira. By fine-tuning these settings, you can ensure that your team's workflows are efficient and effective, ultimately driving project success. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session as we explore more ways to optimize your Jira usage. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy project managing and have a great day.